Once upon a time, in a vibrant seaside village, there were two best friends named Kerry-Ann and Stacy. They were both 16 years old and loved spending their afternoons at the beach with their playful dog, Bubbles. One sunny afternoon, while they were exploring the shoreline, Bubbles started barking excitedly. The girls followed him and found a hidden cove with sparkling sand and crystal-clear water. In the middle of the cove stood a magnificent palm tree with leaves that shimmered like gold. Curious, Kerry-Ann and Stacy approached the tree. To their surprise, the palm tree spoke in a soothing voice. "Hello, Kerry-Ann and Stacy. I am the magic palm. I can show you glimpses of the past to help you remember where you come from." The girls exchanged amazed glances and eagerly said, "Please show us." The magic palm's leaves rustled, and suddenly, the scene around them changed. They found themselves on the same beach many years ago. They saw their grandparents as young fishermen and women. The girls watched as their families grew, working together to build a better life by the sea. They saw the love and effort their families put into everything they did, always remembering to appreciate each other and their beautiful beach home. The magic palm then brought Kerry-Ann and Stacy back to the present. "Did you see?" the tree said gently. "Your families worked very hard and loved each other very much. They never forgot where they came from or how important their home and family were." Kerry-Ann and Stacy nodded, understanding the lesson. They realized that sometimes, when people get new and exciting things, they might forget the simple joys and the love that brought them to where they are. But it's important to always remember and appreciate their roots. From that day on, Kerry-Ann and Stacy made sure to tell their friends about the magic palm and the wonderful stories it showed them. They never forgot to say thank you to their parents and grandparents, and they always remembered the love and hard work that made their families special. And so, in the vibrant seaside village, Kerry-Ann and Stacy grew up to be kind and thoughtful young women who always remembered where they came from and appreciated the simple, beautiful things in life. Bubbles, their faithful dog, happily played by their side, reminding them of the magic and joy of their seaside home. The end.